Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So guys, we have got something super useful for all professionals and biometric users. This tiny gadget is widely used for Aadhaar authentication, eKYC, digital scanning and more. So in today's video, I am going to unbox it and see what we get inside and explaining all its specifications. So let's get started. So guys, here's our box, you can see. Alright, here you can see guys, model number MFS110 optical fingerprint scanner from Mantra. And here on the side it has provided some product name, model name and all the details. Yes, that's it. Let's unbox it. So guys, as you can see here, inside the box we get this Mantra fingerprint scanner itself, and it's attached with a USB cable, and also here we got one Type-C cable also. If you're using for iPad and for Mac, so you can just insert this USB cable and you can connect your Type-C laptop. And also here we get a small fabric for cleaning, and here we get the manual. It has given all the instructions how to do and all. So talking about the design guys, the build quality looks premium with solid plastic body. It's lightweight and portable, easy to carry around. Here you can see it's super handy, we can place it anywhere. So it's very useful product. At the top you will see the optical sensor area where you place your fingerprint for scanning. So there's also an LED indicator that lights up during the scan. It comes with USB 2.0 connector, so you can directly plug into your laptop or PC, so no external power required. So talking about its features and specification, it uses optical sensing technology which gives high quality fingerprint images, and the resolution is 500 dpi, ensuring precise and clear captures. Also a UIDAI certified, meaning it's officially approved for Aadhaar authentication, identifying and many more. Works with Windows, Android and Linux platform also. It supports STQC certification, making it suitable for government and eKYC applications. And yes, you can use it for Aadhaar, banking verification, Jeevan Praman, CSC work and other biometric based logins. It's very simple to use guys. Just connect to your laptop, and here you can see the LED light is blinked. It's powered on now. Instantly captures any fingerprints very accurately. About its price guys, this optical sensor you will get under 4,000. Yes, the prices may vary between 3,000 or 3,500 or almost around 4,000. So this is very premium optical fingerprint scanner guys. Hope you guys this video has helped you. So overall, this is the Mantra MFS110 optical fingerprint scanner. Is one of the best and most reliable options in its segments, perfect for authentication and government verification tasks. If you are someone who handles Aadhaar or biometric work regularly, then this device is a must-have tool for you. So hope you guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to TechnoWaves channel for more awesome tech and unboxing reviews.